S4040 Back Panel Preparation Instructions. S4040 shower model comes in black or white. Let's install the wall knobs for the foot massager. It is easier to put the panel upside down for this procedure. The knob is on the shining side of the panel. The ring nut is on the paint side. Install the through wall elbow. Put on metal washer and then rubber washer to the long arm of the elbow. Put it through the hole from the shining glass side. Then tighten up with the bronze ring nut. Install the water supply line to the foot massager. Hang the foot massager to the wall knobs. Connect the water flexible hose to the elbow. Next, let's install the shelf. Take the mounting screws off. It is easier to install the shelf when panel is laying flat with the glass side facing up. Put on the plastic washer first and then the metal washer. Line up the holes. Put on the metal washer to the bolts and then secure the shelf from the back side of the panel. Now let's prepare the other back panel. Let's install the vertical sliding bar for the handheld shower head first. Take the plastic mounting chucks out of the ends of the sliding bar. Mount the chucks to the panel on the glass side. Let the mounting bolt go through the hole at the bottom of the chuck. Tighten the bolt from the other side of the panel with washer and nut. Set chucks into the ends of the sliding bar. Tighten the set screws. Tighten the set screws. Install the through wall elbow for the handheld shower water supply line. Connect the flexible water hose to the handheld shower head. Now both back panels are ready for the final assembly of the shower room.